Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And, well, let's just say every now and then, even Victorinox makes an odd one. And this particular Swiss Army knife, when I saw it, I kind of just had to get it. I was too curious not to order this knife. This is one of the 111mm Swiss Army knives made by Victorinox, and this is the Swiss Army cheese knife. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. As you can tell, it is one of the big Swiss Army knives, as opposed to the standard 91 or the smaller 84mm knives. This is one of the big ones, and it's a cheese knife. So we get the toothpick and the tweezers, which are standard on almost all the Swiss Army knives. And I guess I'm assuming that because if we're going to be having cheese, I'm assuming you absolutely need a corkscrew to handle the wine. So where does the cheese part come in? Well, first of all, you get kind of a nifty serrated Swiss Army knife blade, like so. And this particular knife blade, if you look right here, it's a liner lock, and you press in the lock here to close it. I think you press, am I pressing the right direction? Yeah, I'm pressing the right direction. There we go. Yeah. You press it to close it, like so. And the other blade, the one that I'm super excited about, is the cheese blade. Alright, now one thing that I want to warn y'all about, when I first looked at this online, I kind of assumed this whole thing was dull. But there actually is a blade edge right there. It's kind of hard to see. If you can maybe kind of see a little bit in the light. There's a blade edge right there, and this part here is apparently a fork. Now, one thing that I'm super curious about is I'm curious how dangerous to cheese this thing would be. Okay. If you decide that your curiosity gets the better of you and you want to order one of these things, don't forget that this edge is sharp. It doesn't look like it's an edge, but it is indeed an edge. So I'm not exactly sure where this fits into one's everyday carry. It's definitely an interesting oddity, and maybe it could be like your everyday picnic carry or something like that. Or, I don't know. You could be like the manliest dude, or I'm not sure what the manly equivalent of manly for a woman is. The womanliest woman at the wine and cheese tasting that you go to. You can bust out your Victorinox cheese knife and be like, no, I'll handle that. And you can cut your own cheese, and then you can fork your own cheese with your cheese forky thing. My guess would be that this knife is to like savage the cheese rinds and put them in their place, and then this is for like cutting the more fine cheese and for tasting it. And so you can cut and taste your cheeses, and you can open your wines, and I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if this is one of the most pretentious things I've seen in a long time, or if it's just awesome. I'm torn. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think the next time you're going to go to a wine and cheese tasting that you're going to want to bust out one of these Swiss Army knives to show everyone how serious you are about the business. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll include a link in the description if you desperately need your Victorinox 111mm cheese knife. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for anything you'd like me to take a look at, let me know in the comments. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.